How to summarize a YouTube video with DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your YouTube application first. Then simply select the video that you want to get the summary of. Now, what you will have to do is pause the video and then go to show more. Now make sure the video as transcript and then go to show transcript. After that, tap on the three dot. Now select all these transcript and then paste it to DeepSeek and ask it to summarize the video. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.